All right, so this is OBS, and you can see here there are scenes and there are sources.
Right.
You want to set up scenes and sources for yourself. You're going to obviously come over here and hit start recording, start streaming. You're going to hit activate stream on your My Online Party. It just tells OBS where to send your stream to.
Right, I did that.
So then you want to come in here and you actually can create new scenes. Like I do a title card for my shows. I actually have 3 or 4 and sometimes even 4 or 5 scenes that I choose from, and I can click between my mouse. It's not going to capture my camera right now because Zoom is actually capturing my camera, and it can't do both at the same time. So the scene here, this is my title card. This is the first one I've set up. This one is for, you also have to be aware that there's like a 10-20 second delay from what you are saying and what your guests are hearing. So I generally set this up so that I have music playing and all of that cool stuff going, and then I have my title card, the Pink Velvet Show, starting soon. And then as soon as I'm ready to go live, I take a 10 deep breaths, and then I can go to this one, which will be my desktop and a picture of me. Then I do my final scene of thanks. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching. And that's really the 3 general scenes that I generally use on every single show, live streaming, anything that I do on OBS. I usually pick between those 3.
Okay, and I did get the screen, like the scene that you have like right now. I was able to get that. It was the actual live streaming that I couldn't, of me, that I couldn't get to work.
So that's going to be over here. We talked about scenes. Now we're going to talk about sources.
Okay.
So for each scene, you set up a source, right? So the source for this one, you can click the addition button or the subtraction button. If I hit the subtraction button, it's going to delete it. If I hit the addition button, I can add another source.
Okay.
But for this case, I just added image. Now you get these things and there's like 10,000 of them, and really you only ever use image if you're going to set up a title card. And then really the only other things is video capture, which is your video, and window capture, which is your desktop.
Okay.
And that's it. Don't get overwhelmed by all this stuff. I don't even know what all of it does. These are the major things we use: the video capture and the window capture.
Okay.
So for this scene, this is my title card. I've picked an image, I've written on it, I wrote on it actually in Canva, and then I just uploaded that image. So you can see here, I can actually just move this image around, and whatever I'm moving it, wherever I'm moving it, I can shrink it and all that stuff. My guests are going to see that.
Okay.
So I generally just leave it there. It's going to highlight in red to let me know that this is the thing that it's going to touch. It's going to move if I move.
Yep.
So I set it right there. My title card is done. So then scene 2, obviously I've got a source already set up here for window capture, but Zoom can't capture my window. I mean, OBS can't capture my window because Zoom's got it right now.
You know what? I think I tried video capture. Window capture would do what's on my screen?
Window capture is going to do what's on your screen. And it's going to give you, when you hit that addition button, you hit window capture. I have 2 window captures now. Hang on a sec. I'm going to delete one of these. Yes. I'm going to delete just both of them so we can see. How it works. So right now I have 0 sources there. I hit the addition button. I hit window capture. It's going to tell me to name it, whatever I want to name it, which I don't usually ever even mess with that. So I know what it is. It's window capture. Now it gives me this drop down. I can select in between all of these things. And right now, I don't have anything open but my Zoom bar.
Right.
So actually what I'm going to do, because I want to show you how it all works, I'm going to discard this just to show you that. And we're actually going to come over here and just open up Facebook.
Okay.
What's going on. Then we're going to open up OBS again. So now I can hit, I've already started a window capture. It's already capturing Zoom. Now what? All you have to do is right click it and come back down here to properties, and then you can change it. The window here is the drop down. I can choose between Messenger. I can choose between my calendar, Xbox. It gives me all these ridiculous but I want to choose Messenger because, you know, that's what I'm going to choose.
Right.
And there it is.
Okay.
Again, I can move it. I can drag it. If I don't want to show the top of it, I just make it bigger. I can make it smaller. This is generally what I do so that you don't see the top part of my bar, my search bar. And I'll probably make it even smaller than that. So it's just, oh, maybe I want to make it a little bit. Just like that. So I can kind of hide some stuff. So
Right.
if I want my video in here as well, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. The video capture device. It's going to say, okay. It's not going to load. This is gray saying your camera's already being used.
Right.
So I'm not going to load for you. And I just hit okay. And it's up here. It's not going to show up. But then you can, again, make yourself bigger. You can make yourself smaller. And that's pretty much it.
Now, my thought with this party that I'm doing this week was I'm just going to have the video going, and I'm going to be showing product by hand, so I don't necessarily need the screen capture.
Okay.
So I would just do the video capture.
Correct.
Okay, and that's what I tried to do, and all I had still was the black screen. And my video light came on my monitor, but it didn't capture any image of me.
Do you want to try doing it yourself with me watching so I can tell you, see what's wrong?
Sure.
Okay, so I'm going to stop our screen share, and I'm actually going to, at this point, stop recording.